Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1028A. 117,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, deep cherry red in color. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Rear seats recline, as well as fold flat for additional cargo space. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. Lots of storage space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. Additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 6.5-inch touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with electronic range select. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's material. Dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.